Welcome back to KK Autos, the channel where we explore the future of cars, SUVs, campers, and luxury motorhomes in the most detailed way possible. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Imagine the unmatched luxury of a Rolls-Royce combined with the freedom of a motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It is a palace on wheels, a symbol of elegance, comfort, and innovation that takes road travel to an entirely new level. From the very first glance, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 captures your attention with its majestic presence. The exterior reflects everything the brand is famous for: class, elegance, and authority. At the front, the iconic Pantheon grille proudly sits between slim laser LED headlights, creating a look that is both commanding and modern. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem rises gracefully from the hood, reminding you that this is not an ordinary motorhome, but a Rolls-Royce masterpiece. The body design follows the brand's philosophy of smooth, flowing lines and balanced proportions. The paintwork, available in a wide range of bespoke colors, shines with a mirror-like finish, thanks to Rolls-Royce's hand-polished process. Chrome accents around the windows and subtle detailing along the sides give it a rich, premium touch. Large alloy wheels with a custom design add to its grandeur while maintaining that refined Rolls-Royce look. Even though this is a motorhome, it still carries the unmistakable elegance and presence of the world's most prestigious luxury car maker. Step inside, and the true magic begins. The interior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. Every detail has been crafted with perfection, using only the finest materials from around the globe. The cabin is draped in premium leather upholstery with hand-stitched patterns, while the dashboard and panels feature polished wood veneers and aluminum detailing. The ceiling is adorned with a starlight headliner, creating a relaxing and dreamy atmosphere no matter where you are. The lounge area feels like a five-star living room, complete with plush recliner seats, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. A fully equipped kitchen with marble countertops, induction cooking, a built-in refrigerator, and modern storage solutions ensures that you can prepare meals just like at home. Moving towards the rear, you'll find a master bedroom suite designed for ultimate comfort. A king-size bed with Rolls-Royce's signature embroidery, premium bedding, and an adjustable smart climate system guarantees restful nights even on long trips. The bathroom features a spa-like shower with rainfall technology, high-quality fixtures, and even heated floors, something almost unheard of in motorhomes. Every corner of the interior reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to blending luxury with practicality. When it comes to technology, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is at the very top of innovation. The massive infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphones, offering full connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Voice and gesture controls allow you to manage the vehicle without even touching a button. Smart home integration lets you control lighting, climate, and even appliances through a single interface. Wi-Fi, surround sound speakers, and large OLED screens turn this motorhome into a rolling entertainment hub. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is powered by a next-generation hybrid V12 engine paired with an advanced electric system. Together, they deliver an output of over 600 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, even on highways or mountain roads. Despite its size, the motorhome handles with remarkable stability thanks to Rolls-Royce's adaptive suspension system, which provides the brand's signature magic carpet ride. Long journeys feel serene and comfortable, making travel less about endurance and more about pure enjoyment. The hybrid system also offers a respectable electric-only range for short drives, reducing emissions and ensuring a quiet, refined experience. Noise insulation in the cabin is unmatched, with double-glazed windows and soundproofing materials that create a near-silent environment, no matter the outside conditions. Safety is another area where Rolls-Royce has gone above and beyond. The motorhome comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure assist, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced driver assistance features make maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy, whether you're on the highway or parking at a campsite. Practicality has not been forgotten. With spacious storage compartments, expandable living space, and smartly designed layouts, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 proves that luxury can coexist with functionality. It's perfect for long journeys, family trips, or even as a mobile office for those who want to blend work with travel. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is expected to start at around $1.2 million, depending on customization options. Buyers can work with Rolls-Royce's Bespoke division to create a completely personalized motorhome, from the choice of interior materials to custom paint colors and unique features. This ensures that no two Rolls-Royce motorhomes will ever be exactly alike.